Smoke and carbon monoxide alarms are only helpful when they're working properly. Unfortunately, battery removal or tampering can leave you, your family, and your home unprotected in an emergency. That's why First Alert and BRK alarms offer a simple, optional locking feature designed to help prevent that. Hi, I'm Sam from Residio. In this video, I'll show you how the locking feature works and how you can use it to help keep your alarm secure. It all starts with the locking pin. This small pin is designed to lock the battery compartment so the batteries can't be easily removed. The locking pin is molded into the mounting bracket. To remove it, you can use a needle nose pliers or utility knife to carefully break it free from the bracket. Once you've removed the locking pin, push it into the lock location on the back of the alarm. Keep in mind that this feature is only used on alarms with replaceable batteries. Now, when it is time to replace the batteries, you'll need to unlock the compartment first. Start by removing the alarm from the mounting bracket. If your alarm is hardwired into AC power, make sure you turn off power to that circuit at the breaker or fuse before you do anything else. This helps prevent the risk of electrical shock. Next, gently disconnect the power connector from the back of the alarm. Use a flathead screwdriver or needle nose pliers to carefully pry out the locking pin. Once the pin is removed, you can open the battery compartment and replace the batteries as needed. After that, close the compartment and reinstall the locking pin to secure it again. Reconnect the power connector, reattach the alarm to the mounting bracket, and restore power to the circuit. And that's it. This locking feature is a simple way to help keep your alarm protected and ensure it stays powered when you need it the most. For technical support or additional product documentation, visit First Alert's support resources. Thanks for watching this DIY tip from the pros. If you found it helpful, drop a comment and subscribe for more.